Okay, I'm going to show how to graph on MyMathLab, the technique itself of graphing, how I'm going to graph. So, as you can see, we have system of equation 4x minus 3y is equal 12. If you simplify, you are going to get y is equal 4 over 3x minus 4. Write down on a piece of paper because I can't write down here now. I don't have that ability. So one more time, y is equal 4 over 3x minus 4. Okay? And then let me build first one and then I will build second one. So from the first case, I can say that intercept is going to be negative 4. Okay? And slope is going to be 4 over 3. Let me write down here and I will show you y is equal 4 over 3x minus 4. Y is equal 4 over 3x minus 4. Negative 4 is intercept. And 4 over 3 is slope. Here it is. I'm going to show you y is equal 4 over 3x minus 4. Negative 4 is intercept. 4 over 3 is slope. Yes? All right. Now, how I'm going to do? First, I'm going to build intercept, negative 4, because intercept is going to be on y-axis. So I'm clicking this icon, which is a line tool, because we are drawing a straight line, and going to negative 4. 1, this is 2, we need 4. Here it is. So I'm clicking here on negative 4. Okay. Next, slope is 4 over 3. 4 is running vertically, meaning I'm going up by 4, which I will come here to 0, right? I'm not clicking on 0 because I have to go positive 3 to the right. 2, and this is 3. Clicking on this 3, and I have the same, this graph. This is for first one. For second one, 2x is plus y equal 4. We get y is equal negative 2x, equal negative 4. Negative 2x minus 4. Here it is, I'm showing y is equal negative 2x minus 4. And original one is 2x plus y is equal negative 4. All right. So again, negative 4 in this case is going to be our intercept. So I'm taking this tool, clicking negative 4. There we go. And then I have negative 2. If I have negative 2, that means I'm writing down in the format negative 2 over 1. See, I wrote down negative 2 over 1 because I have to use numerator and denominator as a slope. So I can go down by 2 or I can go up by 2. So I'm going up by 2 and instead taking 1 as a negative because you can take either 2 negative or 1 negative. Doesn't matter whatsoever. So I take 2 positive because I don't want to go down, get to the edge. So I'm going up 2 and 1 is taking negative. Here I went by 1 because this is 1. Clicking on it and I got the graph. And this is going to be our answer. Let me save it. There we go, checking. Good job. All right. So I did that per student request and everybody can enjoy it. Thank you.